Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create this nice overlay effect using HTML and CSS. Before we get started, if you are new to this channel, on this channel I post new videos every day that will help you become a better web developer so that you can earn more money and improve the quality of your life. If that is something that you are interested in, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell notification icon so that you won't miss any of the new videos that I upload. With that being said, let's get started. So I have an empty folder here on my desktop and I opened it with my text editor, which in my case it's brackets. I'm going to create the index.html file, the style.css, and an img folder for the image. By the way, I'm going to leave a link to the image in the top comment of this video, so go ahead and grab that and code along with me. Okay. Now, let's start with the basic markup to the index.html. Give it a title of image overlay. And let's link our style.css. And let's start with the basic markup. So, a div with a class of content. Inside here, I'm going to put our image. So, img source. Select the image. And say alt picture. And below the image I'm gonna put another div with a class of content text and an h2, and I'm gonna say info. Okay, that's it for the markup. There it is. Okay, now let's go to the style.css and start with the basic styling. First of all, I'm gonna select everything with the asterisk, and I'm gonna select before and after, and set box sizing to inherit, and HTML box sizing border box. If you don't know what I'm doing, I'm gonna leave a link in the top comment of this video to a video I created on box sizing border box, as well as other useful links, so you may want to check that out. I'm not gonna explain in this video. I'm gonna set the margin to 0 and the padding to 0, and for the body I'm gonna give it a background of 6C, 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 and font family I'm gonna say Arial sans serif. I'm gonna create some space here. Okay, now let's select the div with the class of content, and give it a width of 600 pixels, a height of 400 pixels. Set the position to absolute, and change the cursor to pointer. I'm gonna center it, so top 50%, left 50%, transform, translate, minus 50%, minus 50%. As you can see, now it's centered. Now I'm gonna select the image, so dot content img. I'm gonna set the display as block, and I'm gonna give it a width of 600 pixels and a height of 400 pixels. Okay. Now select the div with the class of content text, so content dash text, and in this one I'm gonna give it a width of 600 pixels, a height of 400 pixels, a background. I'm gonna use the RGBA since I want some transparency, and I'm gonna say 113, 17, 17, and 0.7. Position of absolute, top 0. I'm gonna set the display to flex. I'm gonna align it to center, so justify content center, and align items center. I'm gonna set the overflow to hidden, and also use the transition and give it 0.5 seconds. Let's take a look. Okay, now we need to select this H2 and make it look better. So content dash text H2, and I'm gonna say color, change it to white, so FFF. Font size 3 rem. If you don't know what rem units are, I'll also leave a link to that in the top comment of this video. Border 3 pixels, solid white, FFF. Padding 1 rem on top and bottom, 2 rem left and right. And text transform uppercase. Okay, there it is. Now we have to deal with the animation, and it's pretty simple. First of all, I'm gonna set the width and the height here to 0, and if I refresh, as you can see, our overlay is gone now. And we have to select the content, use the column hover, and select the content text, and put the width back to 600 pixels and the height back to 400 pixels, and that should do it. Let's take a look. As you can see, we have our effect that we saw in the beginning. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment below, also share this video if you want, it will help me out a lot. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.